Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on every sale. Let's start the video with a step-by-step guide on how to start affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. Step 1. Choose a niche. Whether it's a blog, an online store, or an affiliate marketing endeavor, picking a specialty is crucial to creating a successful online business. Your niche should be something in which you genuinely have an interest and where you can benefit your audience. Selecting a specialty compatible with your interests and passions will keep you inspired and involved in developing your website and business. Also, selecting an area where you have expertise will help you establish your authority and develop a devoted audience. While selecting a niche for affiliate marketing, assessing the possibility of income is crucial. While it's necessary to select a niche that corresponds with your interests, it's also crucial to ensure enough demand for the goods or services in your selected specialty. You can find lucrative niches by conducting market research and spotting trends and holes in the market. It's crucial to keep in mind that choosing a specialty is a continuous process. As you build your business and your audience, you may need to pivot your niche or tighten your emphasis to stay current and satisfy the requirements of your audience. You can remain on top of trends and keep giving your audience value by regularly evaluating their interests and spending patterns. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Starting an affiliate marketing business requires researching affiliate programs. You can market other people's goods and services as an affiliate marketer and get paid a commission for each purchase using your special affiliate link. The first step is finding affiliate programs that fit your expertise and provide goods that customers in your target market would be interested in buying. There are numerous affiliate schemes to pick from, including Commission Junction, Sherry Citadel, and Amazon Associates. Choose the affiliate program that best fits your business by doing your homework, as each has different commission rates, product offerings, and conditions of service. Consider the commission rates provided for each product while evaluating affiliate programs and any minimum payout requirements or payment schedules. Also, you should carefully examine the terms of service to ensure you adhere to any limitations or specifications imposed by the affiliate program. Step 3. Build a website or blog. Creating a website or blog is an essential first step in launching an affiliate marketing business. Your website or blog will be the cornerstone of your online presence and the main channel for promoting the affiliate products you decide to advertise. It's crucial to pick a platform that suits your goals and is user-friendly while creating a website or blog. Bloggers and affiliate marketers frequently choose WordPress because it provides a variety of customization choices and plugins that can improve the functionality of your site. In contrast, thanks to their simple drag-and-drop interfaces, user-friendly systems like Wix and Squarespace make it straightforward for beginners to build a website without any coding experience. Your website or blog should have a pleasing design and be simple. Create pages that include details about you, your company, and the goods or services you promote, using a theme or template that fits your specialty and brand. Step 4. Create quality content. Building a successful affiliate marketing business requires producing high-quality content. Your content should assist your audience and highlight the advantages of the goods or services you're trying to sell. You can develop authority in your niche and gain your audience's confidence by producing high-quality content. It's critical to consider your audience's requirements and interests when producing content. Provide material that offers solutions or practical advice to the problems or issues your audience is experiencing. Make your information simple to read and understand by using attention-grabbing headlines and images. Make sure to naturally and sparingly sprinkle affiliate links throughout your writing. It's crucial to let your readers know about your affiliate arrangement through a disclaimer on your website or in your content. Step 5. Join affiliate programs. Signing up for affiliate programs is a crucial stage in the affiliate marketing process. You can access a variety of goods to promote and make money on each transaction made through your affiliate link by joining forces with reliable affiliate networks. Start by looking into affiliate programs that fit your audience and niche before signing up. To decide which programs best fit your business, consider variables including commission rates, product offerings, and terms of service. You'll need to apply to become an affiliate once you've decided which programs to join. This normally entails completing an application and supplying details about your website or blog, such as traffic statistics and demographics of your readership. When applying, carefully read the terms of service since some programs can have unique prerequisites or limits. After being accepted as an affiliate, you'll have access to special affiliate links that you may use to advertise the goods or services the program has to offer. It's crucial to declare your affiliate relationship to your audience and use these links in your content naturally, non-spammy. Step 6. Promote affiliate products. Any effective affiliate marketing approach revolves around promoting affiliate items. It's time to start pushing the products once you've decided on the affiliate programs you want to join and have your affiliate links. Producing material highlighting the product's advantages is one efficient technique to market affiliate products. This might consist of product evaluations, instructions, or comparisons to competing goods on the market. Ensure that the article includes your affiliate link, so visitors can quickly purchase if interested. Social media is a different tool for affiliate product promotion. Post your material on social media and make posts featuring the goods you promote. Use eye-catching images and captions to grab your audience's attention and persuade them to click on your affiliate link. Step 7. Build an email list. For any affiliate marketer, accumulating an email list is a significant resource. Create a direct connection channel with your audience and more successfully sell your affiliate products by gathering their email addresses. Provide a lead magnet or incentive your audience finds useful to start building an email list. This might be a free ebook, a reference guide, or a special coupon code. Ask your audience for their email address in return for the lead magnet. Create a welcome email series that introduces your audience to your business and offers helpful information once you have gathered email addresses. You may also put affiliate links in the welcome series to advertise your affiliate products. Regularly offer your email list value by giving insightful advice, special deals, and fresh material. Instead of constantly pitching your audience, work on developing a relationship with them. Step 8. Analyze and optimize. Analyzing and improving your affiliate marketing activities is the key to increasing your revenue and expanding your business. You may enhance the efficacy of your campaigns and boost your revenue by monitoring your performance indicators and making data-driven decisions. Track your most important performance indicators first, including click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per click. To track your progress and pinpoint areas for development, use dashboards from affiliate networks and tracking tools like Google Analytics. Try out various ideas and tactics to improve your campaigns after discovering areas that need work. This can entail experimenting with various headlines, deals, or call-to-action buttons. Monitor your performance indicators and change your tactics to get better results. Understanding your audience's requirements and preferences requires analysis of your audience. To learn more about your audience's characteristics, preferences, and actions, use Audience Insights tools. You may use this information to customize your content and marketing tactics so that they will better connect with your audience and result in more conversions. It may take some time to get started with affiliate marketing, but with perseverance and commitment, you may succeed and generate passive money by endorsing other people's goods. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And if you are looking for the easiest ways to make money from home, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.